We also have Rucha with us. Rucha, help us understand, how did the police exactly track down the prime accused in this case?
I am currently at Thane, where the accused was arrested from. Now, this is located at Hiranandani Estate. You can see a few meters ahead from here is a labor camp, and where I am currently present is Hiranandani Estate, a high-class locality of Thane. Now, these societies also have high-end security, very tight security, and some of the buildings are still under construction. Now the people, the laborers that work here stay in the labor camp where this accused was arrested from. We spoke with a watchman here, and he told us that he had seen this person, while some of the people at labor camp were also questioned whether they have seen Muhammad before here. The watchman said that he was seen here roaming around in these localities. Now, the question was how he cracked the security, how he managed to understand what kind of security was there at Saif's residence. Now, Bandra, in fact, is also a high-class locality. He used to walk around these roads and try to understand the kind of security these posh areas have. Now, the locality here has very tight security, and he used to roam around these lanes and used to figure out the ways to get in these buildings. The watchman also told us that he was at times called by the security, and why he was looked at this building, why was he doing a kind of Reiki here. Well, now we have the answer how he managed to get into Saif's apartment. Even if the accused Muhammad was there before he attacked Saif or not is a question, but this is the answer that locals here are giving us, that they had seen him roaming around here doing a Reiki, how to get into these kind of buildings that have high-end security. And also I would like to point out few things, that the accused was also seen by some women of these areas. Now the women had also approached to him, and they had also complained against him that he was following these women. They were while they were going to use the restrooms, washrooms, and he was also slapped by some people in the area. When the police tried to reach out to them and tried to question them, nobody in fact came ahead and told that they knew this person. But now that we are getting these comments from the people, will also try to speak with some people. But as of now, what we know, that this is the area from where he did his practice from, he did the Reiki from. He tried to understand how to crack a security of any high-ended, tight security apartment.
All right, Rucha, thank you for getting us those details.